I was right on the volcano. Dad!
No, Elliot.
It's not on my side.
No.
Right there! Open his mouth! Oh no! My hands are going down to hit the shark in the nose. Kabam! Bam, 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 bam. I hit it right in the nose, Dad.
Good job. Right here.
Dad, can you just do this?
Yeah. Boom.
Dad, not sideways.
Good. You don't like doing the explosion? Let's try it.
So what is it? It's coming up here. Is this the shark? Uh-huh. Where's the nose?
Punch him in the nose.
That's the leg. Bam! Kabam! Kabam! You know the... Oh, this is the tongue.
Marian Sohyun.
This is the nose. This is
Hello.
the small white thing.
Antonio.
Oh.
Hello?
Keeper.
Kabam! 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 I love you. Kabam!
Whoa. Kabam. That's good, Gaia. Do it again.
Kabam! Kabam! Dad, do that. Kabam!
Oh, God. Was that a corkscrew punch?
I did this. Bam!
That was a good punch.
Look at eyes.
Elliot, what belt
Look
are
at
you?
eye need. Look at eye need. Yellow.
Yellow belt?
Mhm.
Good.
Dad.
Let me see, Gaia.
Dad, you just wanted to remind me, right?
Cool. Oh, my God. You're strong. Wow.
Dad.
Gaia, is it heavy?
No.
Wow, you're really strong.
Yeah. Dad, guess what I can do?
What? No, we already cleaned up. No.